Okay, so I'm coming at you from the middle of the lake. So we are actually on the bridge. So yeah, I stopped here so we could get a cool look at what it actually looks like with my motorcycle peeking off into the distance. Yeah, so check this out. It's like being in the Wizard of Oz. And you can see right there's like a little stepping stone thing. So you could cross the lake right there and do some fishing. But yeah, we're gonna go race across this thing. See what kind of trouble we could get into. So